All right, so we're going to look at how to move an item, an activity, into a school library or a district library and organize it. It can be a little tricky to do that. So I'm going to start with an activity that isn't already in there. So I'm going to take this one that's called the Freyer model over here. Now the very first thing that I have to do is I have to add it to the school and district library. So when we open the item, on the three dots in the bottom corner, we're going to click on Share Activity with Teachers. And we're going to go Share to School and District Libraries, Share. And then we're going to set the grade levels, subject, but then we must choose the library. So you could pick a specific school library, or in this case, I'm sharing with the district. So I'm going to share it with the district. I could also share it with schools as well. So I'm going to click on Done. Now it has that it's in the district library. I'm going to click Share. And so that activity has now been submitted to the district library. Now I just want to point out one thing. When you go in here to the bottom three dots, you might say, there's a collection right there. If I click on Add to Collection from my own activity, it just is able to be added to my collection, not the district library collection. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the left-hand side over to Explore Libraries, and then I'm going to My School and District Library. Now, if you are a school admin or a district admin, you can do this next step. So here we have this activity that we want. Freyer model is what I'm looking at. Now, if you see, we come to those three dots, Add to Collection. That's still going to just add it to my own collection. So that is a common misstep. That's what we want. Now, if you go to the Seesaw Help, it says, well, you should be able to find an Add Activities button. That doesn't exist in this current version of Seesaw. So what we're going to do, this is the part where people get stumped, is you're going to come to the Activities tab at the top. Now, it doesn't look like you have that Add Activities button either until you hover over. When I hover over Freyer model here, you'll notice that I get this little checkbox. When I click the checkbox, then you'll see that I get checkboxes for all the other activities as well. So every time I click one, I can click them all over the place. It tells me how many that I have selected. In this case, I'm just going to select 2. And then on the right-hand side here, you can see now I have a little Add to Collection tab button. If I click that, then it gives me the choice of adding to a collection or creating a new collection. In this case, I'm going to add to the collection. I'm going to hit Save. And now I'm going to see if it's in there just to make sure. I'm going to go to Collections. Any new items in a collection are added to the bottom. So I'm going to come down to the very, very bottom. And there I have, sure enough, Freyer model and item number 80. If I want to delete an item, I can click it again because, oops, this shouldn't be in here. It's Freyer model, not UFly. And then I come up to the top and I can hit the trash can. And it says, do you want to remove this one selected activity? Yes, remove. When we go down to the bottom of that library again, you'll see the Freyer model is gone. But I now have UFly lesson 80 out of order. So to put it into order, I'm going to come to Organize at the top, and I can drag that up to number 80. You'll notice I already have a number 80, so I'm going to want to remove that, one of them. So again, I'm going to find my duplicate, in this case, click it, hit that trash can, remove. So now when I come into the school and district library, if I'm a person who has access to that, you can now see that I have in the school and district library that collection. It's available to be viewed and used by anybody who has access to the school and district library. If teachers want to use that activity or change it at all, they need to edit it and add it to their own collection.